Thank you for coming to our annual celebration of RISE so we can help celebrate our outstanding high school seniors and our college seniors.
With deep appreciation, we want to acknowledge and recognize one of our tutors, Amy Sawyer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Oh, that's one. This is one.
Thank you for the RISE organization. You really helped me a lot throughout college and even though before college too, so thank you for that.
Thank you, Mr. Penniman and RISE for everything that they have done. It helped me get through college, it helped me get through high school in a sense, helped me with the college process in high school. The program is great.
I just wanted to thank Michael for that and your great perseverance. Would you like to come up, and both of you, come on up.
That's what we need to do. We need to always have each other's backs. And that's what RISE is here for.
Please keep talking.
I just want to say, as you can see, the impact that Paul has had on our youth. For 19 years, Paul has been working tirelessly, in different DCPS public schools with students and families. I just wanted to thank Paul and acknowledge Paul for not only making a difference in our youth life, but also making a difference in my life and trusting me to continue the great work that RISE has done in the community. So Paul, if you're back there, I need you to come up. Come on up. We want to thank our students, we want to thank our supporters, our partnering schools. Thank you for all that you do. Support RISE, donate. You can catch us at risedc.org. That's risedc.org. My name is Ricardo Cooper. I am the Executive Director of Resources to Inspire Students and Educators, also known as RISE DC.